Well, here I built a system where I use Excel as my time recorder. Over here I wrote various times, 16, 22, 24, and actually Excel is comparing those timings with the system clock of the PC. What happens is that when they are equal, the Excel will send data to a controller that is attached to the serial port, and a high power load is switched on. This time it is just a bulb, but any device that works with 240 volts AC could be controlled with this device through Excel. Here I have a triac, a optocoupler, and a PIC 12 series. It is expecting the data from Excel. I managed to interface Excel with the serial port using the data streamer here, and it is quite convenient. At the moment, what Excel is doing, it is sending data on this sheet, the data out sheet. The timings are there. So now the system is 1623 and we are waiting for 1624. When they match, when the system clock match with 1624, the light will light up again for 5 seconds and then it will switch off again. So let's wait for another event. Again, as we can see, Excel is changing, is actually flickering, and this is because Excel is going to sheet 1 and then calculates all the times and then goes back to the data in, because actually the system will be used also with the fingerprint sensor that I have built previously. So again, this is 24. Now let's see at what time it should light up again. We go to sheet 1 and it says 25 there, so we wait for 25. Now it is 25, so let's see if it starts up again. You see, it lit up again automatically from Excel. The delay is there because I have given a delay of 15 seconds for Excel to check the time, to do all the calculations. It does four calculations per minute. That way I will be able to fill up the timings, the new timings in sheet 1 here. So here, as we can see, there are timings here, finish times. There's a cluster here and a cluster here. This is because a factory might need different timings during the week, and they might work at different times during the weekend. So that is why I have done two sets of times to disseminate between weekdays and weekends. So the next time is 27. We'll wait for the system clock to be 27 Again, now it is 27. We'll wait for it, and it lights up again for 5 seconds, and then it stops. This is a different way of using Microsoft Excel.